Time now for the Week 4 edition of Bears, Bagels, and Brenda. All right, we have used grizzly bears, stingrays, beluga whales, even Irv the Gypsy, who we ran out of town. Not one of our celebrity pickers has been perfect through 3 weeks, but Brenda Shore from the Bagel Restaurant and Deli on the north side is a perfect 3-0. Here's Pete McMurray.
Hey guys, we're at the Bagel Restaurant in Deli. This is Brenda. I'm Pete. This is week 4. The Bucs are coming to Soldier Field. What do you think, Brenda?
I don't know too much about the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, and yet that's more than I want to know about the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Okay? Number 1, they hired Lovie Smith when the Bears fired him.
Bad idea.
Number 2, Jameis Winston has never lived up to his Heisman-winning reputation.
No.
He's got troubles both on and off the field.
He does, Brenda. He does.
And number 3, they set off cannons from a pirate ship in the end zone, which doesn't happen too often considering they were 5-11 last year and isn't going to happen today because they're playing at Soldier Field. If the Bears can't win this game, they should hang up their cleats.
So you're taking the Bears?
Absolutely taking the Bears.
Brenda's taking the Bears. I'm taking the Bears. Back to you.
All right, guys, Brenda and Jim remain perfect. Guess what? I'm changing my pick. When we built that full screen, I was taking the Bears. I'm taking the Bucs.
What?
Make sure you tell our producer, John Eskra. John, put it down. I'm taking the Bucs. I'll tell you at the end of the show why. I got to take a break. I'm really emotional about this. It's
Fire the
halftime of the big
cannons,
show.